Hello, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have a copy of this book, read with me. Ready? Know David by David Shannon. Know David by David Shannon. David's mom always said, "No, David. No, David. No, David, no. No, no, no. Come back here, David. David, be quiet. Don't play with your food. That's enough, David. Go to your room. Settle down. Stop that this instant. Put your toys away. Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Davy, come here. Yes, David, I love you. The end.